Welcome back to another video, and this time we're going to be improving or fixing the lighting issue on the Hattons Class 66. So what we've got here is our repair board, which includes two boards in it and the two wires which you need. So it's quite a simple job. You only need limited tools. So what we're going to do now is we'll get straight on with it, and I'll take the body off this and I'll show you what we got to do. So now we've managed to get the body off. This repair board here is for the large light clusters. The obviously issue when they come out of the factory is there's either one marker light depending on night and day running. So in this kit what it does is it changes the two marker lights from a warm white to a pure white, and also means that both marker lights on, and doesn't matter whether it's day or night running. So if I put that out of the way, so what we've got here is the chassis, and what you've got to do is you've got to remove the lighting PCB at either end. Obviously I'll do one end here, and all you really want to do is with a small screwdriver just get under it and just lightly twist the plastic just to break any glue, because there's a slight bit of glue that they used, and then just wiggle the lighting board out just so it's free. So then what we want to do is take this board away from the four wires along the back. You don't need to worry about where they go, we can sort that out later, but all you want to do is with a fine soldering iron is use a third hand and just hold it, just so we don't cause any damage. It's a bit fiddly. So then what we want to do is, obviously with a set of fine tweezers in the soldering iron, just gently heat each wire just so it comes away, and move it out the way. Like I say, we don't need to worry about where these wires go at the moment, because when the new board comes in it's a lot easier. So it just takes a bit of time, like so. And this is the last one. So now the board's free. The next thing we need to do is prise this plastic housing away from this circuit board. Now there's two holes here which the plastic was pushed into and lightly glued, so it might be ideal just to get a fine knife and just run it down the back just to break the glue slightly. As you can see, this one here is broken off. So if we get rid of the old circuit board, doesn't matter here if you break one of the tabs, but if you keep one it's ideal. And what we want to do is bring the new board in, so it's all ready, and what we want to do is then just fix the old plastic onto the new circuit board. So that's just a case of hopefully just push fitting on, making sure you've got it the right way round. Right. Right, so now we've got the plastic light lens being glued onto the new circuit board. What we've got to do is fit this new wire which comes in with the kit. Now if we have a quick look up here, you'll notice that there's a solder pad here which is W, which hasn't been soldered to. So what you're going to have to do is, with the wire that you're given, once again with a soldering iron, you're just going to have to lightly just solder the tip of this wire onto that W tab. And then, so if I get on and do that now, shouldn't take too long, it's just a case of reflowing the solder. So that's now in place. So what you're going to want to do is just follow the tracks roughly of the other one, just so it's roughly the right length. just using the double-sided sticky tape that comes with it, just lightly stick it in place there. So now you've got all 5 wires that you're going to need all fixed there. So now if we have a look at this new board here, you'll notice that there's 5 round discs at the top, and their letters correspond to what they are. So you've got a plus, which is your positive, your D for day, N for night, R for rear, and M for marker lights, which are obviously missing. So what it's a case of is you're going to have to match up these corresponding letters here with the corresponding letters on here. So there'll be, in the instruction kit, there'll be a table showing this, but the positive here goes to the V, the D goes to day, the night goes to night, the R goes to the R goes to the R on the board, and then the marker lights go to the W on here. So what I'll do now is I'll use this hand again and fix that in place, and then what I'm going to do is match up the corresponding wire colours with the corresponding tabs, and just put a slight bit of solder on each tab just before we start so it's easier, like so. And then what we're going to do is take the wires up close and then meet this, and then we'll solder these onto where they should go. So what I'll do is I'll do that, and then I'll come back once they're all together. Right, so here we are back at the programming track. As you can see, you've got a white marker, and then your daylight on in warm white. So if we just switch that over just to check, there's a close up. So 2 warm white, 2 pure whites and a warm white. Then there's the night light. So that's all working as it should do. And if we change direction, put the rears on, you can see the rears there as well, coming out quite bright. So I'll get the body on and show you what it looks like afterwards. So obviously this is it now with the body up. So if we just put it up to get a closer look, you'll see the white, the warm white and the pure white lights of it. And then if we go the other direction, you can then see the rear lights there, much brighter than from factory as well. If I just cover, you'll see it's much brighter. But yeah, that's it. That's the Class 66 Hattons upgrade board. There'll be a link below for the website so you can see them on the website. And yeah, thanks very much. Until next time, bye bye.